Let me tell you something that most people in the knife world forget to say out loud. Fixed blade knives are the real deal. There are no hinges to wobble. There are no locking mechanisms to fail under pressure. There are no moving parts to break, jam, or wear out when you need your blade the most. A fixed blade knife is one solid piece of steel from the very tip all the way through the handle. And that means it is stronger, more reliable, and more capable under real hard use than almost any folding knife. Money to get your hands on a genuinely excellent fixed blade knife. In 2026, the budget fixed blade market has never been better. Brands that used to charge premium prices for premium steels are now that anyone can afford. And the result is a selection of knives that would have blown the minds of outdoor enthusiasts and collectors just a decade ago. Today, we are counting down the top 8 best budget fixed blade knives for beginners in 2026. Let's dive in. Number 8. Cold Steel Bushman Fixed Blade Knife. Kicking off our countdown at number 8 is one of the most unique and cleverly engineered budget fixed blade knives in the entire market, the Cold Steel Bushman. Cold Steel is a brand that has built its entire identity around making knives that are stronger, tougher, and more capable than anything else at a comparable price. And the Bushman is Cold Steel at its most creative and most resourceful. What makes the Bushman so special is its construction philosophy. This knife is built from a single continuous piece of SK, 5 high carbon steel, running from blade tip all the way through the hollow handle without any breaks, welds, seams, or joints of any kind. That makes it one of the strongest and most structurally pure fixed blade designs ever produced at any price point, let alone the budget category where the Bushman sits. The blade runs at a full 7 inches of SK 5 steel in a straight back design with a clip point tip that is versatile enough for a wide range of cutting, slicing, and piercing tasks. SK 5 is a carbon steel alloy that delivers excellent toughness, a sharp working edge, and the kind of impact resistance that makes it outstanding for the heavy outdoor tasks that beginners often want a fixed blade for: chopping, battening wood, slicing rope, and a general camp work. The hollow handle is one of the Bushman's most clever features. It is hollow steel tube design that can store small survival items inside, and, most impressively, can be fitted over a thick stick or branch to convert the knife into a makeshift spear. For outdoor adventurers, survivalists, and beginners who want maximum capability for minimum investment, that kind of adaptability is absolutely remarkable. The Bushman is a tool that thinks outside the box, and for a beginner looking for their first serious fixed blade experience, it is a genuinely outstanding starting point. Number 7. REAT Fixed Blade Knife with KYDEX Sheath. A knife that represents exactly the kind of incredible value that the modern budget fixed blade market is now capable of delivering. The REAT Fixed Blade Knife. REAT has been building a strong reputation among everyday carry enthusiasts and outdoor users who want premium materials and smart design without having to spend premium money. And this fixed blade is the knife that brings all of those qualities together in one clean, capable package. The star of the REAT Fixed Blade is the Blade Steel, a full 4-inch D2 tool steel blade that is genuinely remarkable to find at this budget level. D2 is one of the most respected and widely trusted blade steels in the knife world, known for exceptional wear resistance, outstanding edge retention, and a hardness level that allows it to hold a working edge through sustained hard use far longer than the stainless steel alloys found on most budget knives. The fact that REAT puts D2 steel into a fixed blade at this accessible price point is something that would have been almost unimaginable just a few years ago, and it speaks to how rapidly the budget knife market has improved for beginners in 2026. The blade comes dressed in a flat grind geometry that creates a thin, efficient cutting edge, the kind of edge geometry that reduces drag during slicing tasks and allows the knife to work through material with far less effort than a thicker grind would require. The handle is built from G10 fiberglass laminate, lightweight, moisture-resistant, and aggressively textured to keep your grip locked in securely even when your hands are wet, cold, or tired from extended use. A full tang construction runs the steel continuously through the handle, giving this knife the structural rigidity and strength that only a full tang can provide. The included KYDEX sheath offers clean retention, easy deployment, and versatile carry options. Number 6. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Knife. Number 6 belongs to a name that every knife enthusiast recognizes immediately, and with very good reason. The Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade is an American icon. Made right here in the United States of America at Buck's factory in Post Falls, Idaho, the 119 Special is a knife that has been trusted by hunters, outdoorsmen, military veterans, and everyday outdoor users for generations. And in 2026, it continues to prove that a classic design, built with care and made from quality materials, never goes out of style. The 119 Special is built around a 6-inch 420HC stainless steel blade in a clip point profile, one of the most proven and versatile blade shapes in the entire history of fixed blade knife design. The 420HC steel that Buck uses is heat-treated by the company to their own proprietary specifications, and the result is a blade that outperforms the basic reputation of 420HC steel in terms of edge sharpness, edge retention, and overall field performance. Buck's heat treatment process is genuinely one of the best in the industry, and it elevates 420HC from a budget steel to a steel that punches significantly above its weight class. The clip point profile gives you a refined, tapered tip that is outstanding for precise piercing work and controlled cuts, a smooth sweeping belly that makes skinning, slicing, and food prep tasks feel natural and easy, and a strong spine that provides the backbone for heavier work. The handle is built from genuine phenolic material, a hard, durable resin that gives the 119 Special its classic, timeless look while providing a solid, reliable grip surface in all conditions. Buck includes a genuine leather sheath with every 119 Special, a detail that reflects the heritage and craftsmanship of a brand that has been making great American knives since 1902. The Buck 119 Special is the perfect blend of tradition, quality, and accessible value for any beginner. Number 5. Cold Steel SRK Fixed Blade Knife. The SRK is not just a great budget knife. It is the standard issue fixed blade for the United States Navy SEALs Basic Underwater Demolition Training Program, better known as BUD/S, which is widely considered the most grueling military selection process in the world. When the toughest special operations candidates on the planet trust a knife to survive their training, that knife has earned a level of credibility that no marketing campaign can manufacture. The SRK is built around a 6-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blade in a broad clip point profile with a medium-height saber grind, a geometry that delivers exceptional blade strength and durability while still providing a sharp, efficient cutting edge for slicing, chopping, and sustained field work. The SK5 steel is Cold Steel's preferred alloy for hard-use fixed blades, offering exceptional toughness and impact resistance that makes it outstanding for the demanding survival and rescue tasks that the SRK was designed to perform. The blade comes with a black matte finish that reduces light reflection and provides a degree of surface protection against corrosion in wet field environments. The handle is constructed from Cold Steel's proprietary KYDEX rubber compound, a material that is soft enough to be comfortable during extended use, textured enough to provide a secure grip in any weather condition, and tough enough to take serious abuse without cracking, splitting, or deforming under impact. A single-finger quill-ion on the guard prevents your hand from sliding forward onto the blade during hard-cutting tasks, a safety feature that matters enormously for beginners who are still developing their grip technique. The included SECUREX sheath provides excellent blade retention and a straightforward belt loop carry system. The Cold Steel SRK is proven, tough, and absolutely outstanding for any beginner who wants their first fixed blade to be something genuinely special. Number 4. CIVIVI SOKN EDC Fixed Blade Knife. Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife. The fixed blade knife that has earned the title of one of the most recommended survival and outdoor knives in the world, year after year, in review after review, for beginner buyers and seasoned experts alike. The Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife is American-made, field-proven, and built to a standard of quality that makes it one of the most outstanding values in the entire fixed blade market. Gerber makes the strong arm right here in the United States of America, a manufacturing commitment that reflects the brand's dedication to quality control and one that results in a consistently excellent product that you can trust to perform exactly the same way every single time you pull out of its sheath. The strong arm is built around a 4.8-inch 420HC high-carbon stainless steel drop point blade with a diamond texture rubberized grip that is one of the most secure and comfortable handle configurations available on any fixed blade at this price point. The 420HC steel has been heat-treated by Gerber to deliver a factory edge that is sharp, capable, and ready to work right out of the packaging. You do not need to do anything to this knife before putting it to use. Just unbox it, clip it to your belt, and go. The blade features a partial serration option along the spine near the base for users who want added tooth for rope, webbing, and fibrous materials, or a clean plain edge version for those who prefer a straight cutting edge for all-purpose use. The handle is built from a rubberized TP over mold over a stainless steel liner, providing a grip surface that is aggressive enough to hold absolutely firm in wet, muddy, and cold conditions. Deep finger grooves prevent the hand from shifting during hard-cutting tasks. The included mall-compatible sheath opens up multiple carry configurations, including vertical, horizontal, and drop leg positioning. This fixed blade that beginners keep coming back to and for very good reason. Number 2. Becker BK2 Companion Fixed Blade Knife. It is not just a great budget knife. It is a legendary tool engineered by survival expert Ethan Becker, who founded the Becker Knife and Tool Corporation in the early 1980s and spent decades studying exactly what a survival fixed blade needs to do in the real world. When K-Bar partnered with Becker to produce the BK2, the design directive was simple and non-negotiable. Build a knife that absolutely will not break under any conditions, no matter what you ask of it. The result is a knife that has earned a reputation for near indestructibility in the outdoor and survival communities, and it earns that reputation through genuinely exceptional engineering rather than marketing promises. The BK2 is built around a 4.25-inch 1095 Crowvan high-carbon steel blade in a thick, flat-ground drop-point profile, and everything about that specification matters enormously. The 1095 Crowvan steel is a classic American blade alloy that has been used by the U.S. military for decades, and it is legendary for its combination of toughness and impact resistance. Unlike premium stainless steels that prioritize corrosion resistance, 1095 Crowvan prioritizes raw toughness, the ability to take heavy impacts, hard chopping tasks, prying forces, and sustain battening without chipping, cracking, or deforming. The blade measures 0.25 inches thick through the spine, a heavy, authoritative thickness that gives the BK2 the chopping power and structural rigidity that thinner blades simply cannot match. A full tang runs continuously through the entire handle, and the handle scales are built from glass-filled nylon that is impact-resistant and completely reliable in all weather conditions. The BK2 is made in the United States of America, and it comes with a heavy-duty polyester sheath that holds the knife securely and carries comfortably on a belt. For a beginner who wants a fixed blade that will genuinely last a lifetime, this is the answer. Number 1. Morakniv Companion. And here we are, the number 1 best budget fixed blade knife for beginners in 2026. When experienced fixed blade users, outdoor professionals, survival instructors, knife reviewers, and community forums all point to the same knife as the absolute best starting point for a beginner, you listen. The Morakniv Companion is that knife. And it has held that distinction for years, not because of clever marketing, but because it delivers a level of real-world performance, reliability, and user-friendliness that no other budget fixed blade can come close to matching. The Companion is the knife that distills everything that Heritage stands for into the most approachable and affordable fixed blade package imaginable. The Companion is built around a 4-inch Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade, a Swedish stainless steel alloy from Sandvik, one of the world's premier specialty steel manufacturers. 12C27 is a blade steel that delivers a combination of sharpness, edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance that is genuinely exceptional at the Companion's price point. Morakniv grinds their blades using a Scandi grind, one of the most beginner-friendly blade geometries in existence, because the wide flat bevel creates a self-guiding edge that naturally follows the material being cut and produces controlled, predictable cuts that are easy for new users to master. That Scandi grind is also extraordinarily easy to maintain and sharpen. Even with basic sharpening tools, a beginner can bring the Companion back to a razor-sharp edge in minutes. The handle is built from a high-friction rubber overmold on a polymer core, lightweight, ergonomic, comfortable in the hand, and slip-resistant even in wet and freezing conditions. A simple polymer sheath with a J-hook clip allows easy belt carry, pack attachment, or vest mounting. The Morakniv Companion comes in carbon steel and stainless steel, the number 1 spot, and it earns it completely.